How to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on iPhone first. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll to the bottom, tap Apps, and select WhatsApp from the list. Tap Notifications and make sure the sounds toggle is turned on. If this doesn't fix the issue, open the WhatsApp app and tap the Settings gear icon at the bottom right. Select Notifications and make sure all toggles are enabled. If calls still don't ring, go back to the Settings app and tap General. Scroll down and select Background App Refresh. Find WhatsApp in the list and turn on the toggle. If the problem continues, open Settings again, tap General, then scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm by entering your passcode. After your iPhone restarts, check whether WhatsApp calls are ringing properly. This should resolve the issue.